Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now, the we will see the next part from the first unit is mode. That is, this is a third type of the measure of a central tendency. Okay, every time remember one thing. This mean mode median, that is types of the measure of central tendency, is a very important part. Okay, so the third type is a mode. Mode is the number which has the maximum frequency in the entire data set, or in other words, mode is a number that appears the maximum number of times a data have one or more than a one mode. Okay, so if there is only one number that appears maximum number of times, the data has a one mode and is called as a unimode. Okay, if again second, if there is a two number that appear maximum number of a times, the data has a two modes and it is called as a bimodal. Okay, and the third one is what? If there are more than two numbers that appear maximum number of times, the data has more than two modes and it is called as a multi-model. Okay, so what is it? The mode is defined as a value which occur most frequently in the data set. Okay, so the mode is obtained may be two or more in a frequency distribution. Okay, so we will see one example. This is example of the mode. This is a given data. Mode is given by the number that occurs maximum number of times. Here 17 and 21 both occur twice. Hence, this is a bimodal data, and the modes are the 17 and the 21. Okay, remember one thing: since the mode and median and the mode does not take all the data point for the calculation, these are the robust to occur robust to outliers, that is, these are not affected by the outliers. Okay, it means what? The mode and the median can take only few numbers. It cannot take all the numbers for the calculation. Okay, at the same time, mean shift towards the outlier as it considers all the data point. That means if the data outlier is a big, mean overestimates the data, and if it is a small, the data is underestimated. Okay, it means here the mean can take all the data. Okay, for it the mean can take all the data for the calculation. Okay, this means what? If the outlier is big, the mean is overestimated. Okay, overestimates the data, and if it is a small, the data is underestimated. Okay, if the distribution is a symmetrical, mean equal to median equal to mode. This is model normal distribution is an example of it. Okay, so mm in other words, we can say the median is the middle character in the data, in a data set, when the numbers are presented in a ascending or the descending order. Okay, so whereas the mode is the value that happens to appear most often in the data set, and the range is a difference between the highest and the lowest value in the data set. Okay, so this is all about the median. Okay, uh, so that's all. So this is all about the median, and यहाँ तक हमने मीन मोड मीडियन, these are the three types of the center measure of the central tendency. Okay, यहाँ पे देखा है. Okay, so that's all about today. Thank you.